Okay, so hello everybody. The initial chapter robot is speaking, and this is assignment 2.5. And you can see here, this is W3 School platform, and this is a very interactive and educational platform. But there is exercises, there is try it yourself where you can test your or part of your code, just like with the Python tutor. Or for those that have already built with Python, dealt with Python, you know what I'm talking about. And there's also exercises. Okay, and the platform can also track your progress here. You can see because mine has expired, so the platform can no longer track my progress. Okay, so let me just show you two uh, to respond. I'm currently here because the platform cannot track my progress. That's why you see that the green light is not following stuff here. Okay, so let me just respond to, for example, two exercises. For example, let's take the inner join and let's go to exercises. Let's wait for the page to load. Okay, here, what is the purpose of SQL join? No. Okay, and then something answer. Okay, correct answer. Let's go for the next one. For example, let's go for the left join. Let's wait for the page to load. Okay, you can see here, left join, then no. Okay, this is the answer, and then click on it. Okay, you can see by yourself, correct answer. Okay, so let's go with SSMS, and let's build our database because we only have a limited amount of time. So I've already written the script, so I'm just going to run it, and then we can see how it goes. Okay, you can see here by yourself. And I'm going to come here, the table, and then refresh. You can see here, this is the database. This is the table that I've created here. And I'm going to come to my notepad and then run this script to join, inner join, yeah, for the inner join command, and come here and click, for example, a new query and paste it and execute. Okay, so you can see by yourself here that the inner join has only taken, and this is the result here. Alright, John, Mary, no. Okay, let's go for the next one. I'm just going to click again and go to new query and come here and do here. And this is for the left join, which means on all records for the left table with the matching records for the right table. Okay, left table with the matching records of the right table. Let me just run it, and you can see this is the result I'm getting. Okay, and because there's no value here, you can see by yourself this is the result I'm getting. And let me just do it again for the next one, and click again on new query. Not the complicated things, not to mix them up. And come up with notepad here, and come here. The right join will be the country. Let's do for example the full join. And come here. This. Let's run it. All right, I think we're good here, and let's go for the next one. I think the next one should be we should run a person like union, intersect, and accept. Let's come here. Let's click again and do a new query. For example, you can see this is the result. I'll click a new query, and for example, let's go to my notepad. I've already written the script. There's no need to. For example, I can create another table. All right, I can create another table. Go here and then apply can see this is a new table that I've created, and I'm going to come and apply the union logic. Come here, this is the union logic in order to mix, and come here, apply with a new query, and apply here, and then boom. Okay, you can see this is the result. From I've united with the customers and the archive customers. This is the union table. And let's go for the next one. The next one will be this one, which is the intersect. Come here. And then yeah, just here. Execute. Okay, you can see here this is the intersect. Only stuff they have in common, John and Sarah. And I can do another one. Come here, do for the last one. Last one will be let's go to Notepad. Here. Okay, that's the intersect. Yeah, that's the except. That's the intersect. And then intersect. I can just modify here. Here, apply here, and run it. Okay, so you can see this is the result. Okay, so for two learning resources I wanted to talk to you about is the first thing you Microsoft Learn. Microsoft Learn can really help you dive deep into this and master SQL on Azure and on premises. And there is also SQL Vault that can help you master and really understand those database and SQL fundamental skills. Okay, so with that being said, see you next time.